The action camera landscape is perpetually evolving, but rarely does a single device emerge with the potential to redefine the category entirely. Enter the highly anticipated Insta360 Ace Pro 3, a camera that, based on extensive leaks and industry buzz, is shaping up to be far more than just an iterative update. Instead, rumors suggest Insta360 is pursuing a transformative leap, aiming to position this new model as a professional-grade cinematic tool, effectively challenging the very definition of a compact action camera. This ambitious approach is reflected in the rumored premium price point, which could easily climb above the $600 to $700 bracket, signaling a clear intent to capture the segment of creators who prioritize uncompromised performance, cutting-edge AI integration, and truly stunning image fidelity above all else. While the company has maintained official silence, insiders are hinting that the Ace Pro 3 could very well become one of the most powerful and revolutionary photographic devices to hit the market in 2025. Following the successful groundwork laid by the Ace Pro 2, which launched in the latter half of 2024, the expected release timeline for the next generation is optimistically projected for late 2025, possibly extending into early 2026. This timeline aligns perfectly with the momentum generated by Insta360's newly invigorated partnership with the optical giant Leica, a collaboration reportedly re-established in March 2025. This renewed focus on optics and sensor technology, driven by Leica's expertise, is fueling speculation that the Ace Pro 3 will feature significant improvements to its core imaging components, promising users visuals that are sharper, cleaner, and possess superior color accuracy across a vast array of lighting conditions. At the heart of these performance enhancements is what may be the single most exciting piece of leaked information: a brand new AAA processor. This represents a colossal leap from the dual-chip architecture found in its predecessor. Such a dramatic increase in computational muscle is not just about minor speed boosts, it's the gateway to fundamentally new capabilities. This processing power is expected to enable real-time video augmentation, facilitating sophisticated object tracking and allowing the camera to execute complex, intelligent automatic editing processes directly on the device. With this level of integrated, onboard AI capability, the Ace Pro 3 is poised to feel less like a traditional point-and-shoot action camera and more like a miniature, self-contained production suite. The device would gain the ability to dynamically adjust, optimize, and even assemble footage instantly, dramatically streamlining the creator's workflow. Complementing this processing power are equally significant expected sensor upgrades. Rumors point to a much larger sensor, potentially in the 60 to 70 megapixel class, which would be a substantial upgrade from the previous model's 50 megapixel 1.3-inch sensor. A larger sensor inherently translates to better light gathering capabilities, which in turn means vastly improved low-light performance, allowing for truly cinematic nighttime footage characterized by richer detail and markedly reduced visual noise. However, the crowning specification, the one that truly sets the Ace Pro 3 apart in the rumor mill, is the suggestion of 8,000 video recording at a breathtaking 60 frames per second. This is a specification currently unmatched by any mainstream action camera on the market. If proven accurate, this feature would provide content creators with unparalleled clarity, exceptional flexibility for cropping and reframing in post-production, and the capacity to capture genuinely immersive, high-resolution footage. Beyond the pure pixel count, the camera is also rumored to incorporate other crucial enhancements, including more efficient compression codecs, finely tuned color science for a richer visual palette, and a significantly expanded dynamic range to handle extreme highlights and shadows. The focus on professional features extends deeply into usability and image stability. The rumored NOAA hybrid autofocus system is expected to be revolutionary, potentially introducing advanced features like eye tracking, predictive focus algorithms, and rock-solid subject locking. Insiders suggest an impressive lock-on speed of just 0.1 seconds, even in challenging low-light environments. Stabilization, a critical element for any action camera, is also poised for a massive step forward with an AI-powered multi-axis system. This next-generation stabilization is rumored to surpass the established industry benchmarks set by GoPro's Hypersmooth and DJI's Rocksteady technologies. Furthermore, the introduction of predictive stabilization could result in footage so incredibly smooth that it achieves a professional, gimbal-like quality straight out of the camera, eliminating the need for bulky external hardware. In terms of physical design, the Ace Pro 3 is expected to uphold Insta360's reputation for rugged, waterproof construction while simultaneously enhancing user ergonomics. Anticipated improvements include a larger, more vibrant, and more responsive rear touchscreen display, as well as an expanded and more versatile ecosystem of accessories. New modular magnetic mounting systems are rumored to offer unprecedented versatility, allowing creators to switch seamlessly between various setups, be it handheld vlogging, helmet mounting, bike attachment, or drone use with exceptional speed and security. Powering these high-demand features will be a significantly improved battery system. Leaks suggest a higher capacity cell paired with smarter, more optimized power management to specifically sustain prolonged 8K recording sessions without compromise. If the comprehensive details emerging from the rumor mill hold true, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is set to establish a new gold standard for the action camera category. It is not merely an upgrade, it is being envisioned as a hybrid device capable of consolidating the functionality of multiple filmmaking tools into one compact, rugged chassis. With the anticipation rapidly building, it is widely believed that this camera could quickly become the most coveted imaging tool for professionals, vloggers, extreme adventurers, and world travelers seeking the ultimate combination of portability and cinematic power.